Hello, hi, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet. Today I'll be making healthy muffins. There's no flour, no sugar. It's simply tasty and very easy to make. I hope you enjoy watching the video. So the ingredients we need for the muffins are two ripe bananas. So this banana should give me 1 cup of banana, 1 cup of mashed banana. And you can use a riper banana than this. The riper the banana, the sweeter the muffin will be. I've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I've got half teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and the blueberries I've already washed. There are 2 eggs and 1.5 cups of almond milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but I prefer to use almond milk. And I've got 3 cups of rolled oats. So I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. And I'll be adding half a teaspoon of salt as well. I'll mash the banana just using a fork. You don't need any special equipment to mash the banana. Just use a fork on a flat plate, mash up the bananas very well, and these 2 bananas should give you 1 cup of mashed bananas. If you're using very small bananas, you might need to use 3 bananas. So I'm mixing the wet ingredients together. So the mashed banana and the 2 eggs are going into the milk. Mix it together and then pour it into the dry ingredients and mix together so there is no lumps. And I've greased my muffin pan. I've greased it with butter because I'm going to be scooping the mixture into the muffin pan. At this stage, I'm not filling up the muffin pan because I want to make sure that each muffin cup has equal amount of the mixture. So we're going to go around it. And then I'm adding blueberries halfway through. Want to make sure that the blueberries are evenly distributed. So that's why I'm not mixing it directly into the wet mixture. I'm filling up the muffin cups now. You add more of the mixture. When the blueberries are evenly distributed, you're eating the muffin, you're biting into the blueberries. What we don't want to happen is biting into the muffin and there are no blueberries in it. So I'm topping it up now. I'm topping up with more blueberries. I have preheated the oven to 180 degrees. So make sure your oven is preheated. The last thing you want to happen is to put this mixture into a cold oven. You end up with a soggy muffin. So the oven is preheated and it's hot now, and I'm going to put this in for 30 to 35 minutes. So the muffins are baked now. It's golden brown. I baked this for 35 minutes. I'm going to allow it to cool for about 5 minutes before bringing it out from the pan. The muffins should be able to slide easily in the pan if the pan has been greased properly. So you can see I'm rolling it round now and it's sliding very easily, and that's because the pan has been greased properly. But if the muffin is not coming out, you can use a plastic knife. I prefer to use plastic knife because the metal one will scratch the muffin pan. So you simply use it to go around the muffin to loosen it. So use the blunt side, not the serrated side, and the muffin should be able to come out easily once you use the knife. So I'm going to put the muffins on the cooling rack to cool. And once the muffins are cooled down, I can either store it in the cake tin or put it in the freezer. If I put it in the freezer, I make sure that I usually heat it up before I eat it, so it's not freezing cold. And this muffin, I use it for either breakfast or at a snack in between meal. It's quite filling. I'm usually not able to eat more than one of this muffin. So I'm going to cut through the muffin so you see how it looks on the inside. So it should be moist but not wet, and it should be soft to touch. And it's very chewy. Oh, this one is very chewy. It's really nice, very chewy. If your muffin is wet, it means that it hasn't baked very well. So this is how you make a healthy muffin. It's very easy yet very tasty, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please put your comments below and like, share and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.